The world is made up of materials, it's all around us, and it's part of what we do.
On the roads,
in the skies,
In communications,
On construction sites,
listening to music,
on the sporting arenas,
in our leisure.
in our landmark buildings, bridges and roads. Studying materials at UNSW is great because we've got a small intimate school where your professors know you by name.
the world needs materials scientists because as the world evolves, we need new materials which are lighter, greener, stronger.
I chose material science because of the range of possibilities of materials, the fact that I could go into hardcore research as well as industry and just travel the world because everybody needs a material scientist.
I really enjoy the content, it's really interesting and it's really applicable to real world applications.
I chose to study material science engineering at UNSW because I had heard that the University of New South Wales was a premier engineering school and it had a more hands-on approach about how they're going to teach the engineers. And not just that, but I heard that they were more employable when you got at the end because engineers from UNSW were seen as doers, not just thinkers.
I came here to do my undergraduate degree and I love the course so much that I stayed on.
Studying material science lets you understand the fundamental behaviours of why certain materials behave the way they do, whether it's plastics, polymers or ceramics.
The great thing about coming to UNSW, first of all, is the atmosphere. People are friendly and really supportive. You have great facilities, the weather's great and you can't beat that.
And the Coogee Beach is only a few minutes away from the uni, and you will find many restaurants there, and some of them serves the best food I ever have in my life.
So the school offers many things. World-class equipment, lecturers that are leaders in their field, but most importantly, really strong industry links. Well, the main reason I came to UNSW was the co-op program. So basically what that is, the university finds industry partners that specialise in your particular field, and then you're paid to undertake work experience with those companies. So over the course of your degree, you're given 18 months paid work experience. So by the time you graduate, you've actually done a lot of the work that a new graduate would do. So you're already way ahead of anyone else who's competing for the same job.
Our graduates are really in demand, whether it's from the steel industry sector or aluminium, or whether you're actually working and producing some pretty niche devices.
Our research is closely linked to industry, both Australian and international. Most major Australian companies in our field undertake research work with us, and that research is undertaken by students here who then obtain jobs in those companies.
In my case, I've already secured a position with my current company that I managed to obtain a cadetship with, so I know my future is secure.
I've been lucky enough to sign a contract and head up to Newcastle for a processing role.
We've had graduates from materials work in a whole range of fields, including fields that have really nothing to do with the technical aspects of the degree, like management consulting, for example. So it was the strong analytical background they gained in the degree that allowed them to be successful in a whole range of fields.